Have you ever felt like your body just gives up during cold and flu season, no matter how careful you are? What if I told you that the key to stronger immunity isn't in expensive supplements or complex diets, but in your kitchen right now? Yes, it's true. There are 5 powerful vegetables that not only boost your immunity naturally, but can literally transform how your body fights off infections, inflammation, and fatigue. And no, they're not just your usual eat more greens advice. These vegetables have been backed by science, used in ancient medicine, and proven in modern research. In this video, you're going to learn which 5 vegetables can supercharge your immune system, how each one works inside your body, and simple, delicious ways to include them in your meals starting today. Stay with me till the end, because number 3 might actually surprise you. It's something most people completely overlook, but it holds massive immune-boosting power. All right, let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a classic but powerful one, garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that garlic not only helps reduce the length of colds, but also helps prevent them in the first place. Want a quick tip? Chop a clove of raw garlic, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin, then add it to your salad or spread it on toast with a bit of olive oil. Simple, powerful, delicious. Most people run to oranges for vitamin C, but did you know red bell peppers contain almost 3 times more vitamin C than oranges? They're also loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, another essential nutrient for immune defense. You can slice them up raw as a snack, toss them in a stir-fry, or roast them with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a boost of flavor and health. This one surprises people because it looks so basic. But broccoli is anything but ordinary. Packed with sulforaphane, a compound that supports detoxification and reduces inflammation, broccoli acts like a bodyguard for your immune cells. Steam it lightly, don't overcook it, and pair it with lemon juice and black pepper to enhance absorption. Your immune system will thank you. Spinach isn't just Popeye's favorite. It's a genuine immune booster. It's rich in iron, folate, vitamin C, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help your body fight off oxidative stress. Best part? You can throw it into smoothies, soups, omelets, or even make crispy spinach chips in the oven. Last but definitely not least, mushrooms, especially shiitake and maitake, are packed with beta-glucans. These compounds activate your immune cells and help your body detect and destroy harmful invaders. Mushrooms have been used for centuries in Eastern medicine, and today they're being studied in cancer research for their immune-modulating effects. Sauté them with a little tamari sauce and sesame oil for a tasty side dish, or add them to your morning eggs. Let's do a quick recap. Garlic, natural antibiotic. Red bell peppers, high in vitamin C. Broccoli, detox and anti-inflammatory. Spinach, antioxidants and iron. Mushrooms, immune activators. By simply adding these 5 vegetables to your weekly meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong, energized, and ready to defend. Remember, food is your first medicine, and immunity doesn't start at the pharmacy, it starts at the grocery store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips, and comment below. Which one of these veggies are you adding to your meals this week? Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.